you ever wondered, what if Earth's gravity disappeared for just 5 seconds? No force pulling you down, nothing falling. Just for 5 seconds, everything suspended in midair. Would it really matter that much? Or would it just be a momentary glitch? Let's dive a little deeper and think about it. Imagine you're in your room. There's a glass of water in your hand. Suddenly, you feel your body getting lighter. The glass slowly begins to float up into the air. And so do you. This is happening all over the world. Cars are lifting off the roads, drifting towards space. Leaves, drones, children, the elderly. Everything is breaking free, weightless, and drifting. Just 5 seconds, and everything is spiraling into chaos. But here's the strange part. There's no noise, no explosion, just silence. A silence in which every human eye is asking, what is happening? When gravity disappears, it's not just people. Everything around you reacts in its own way. Ceiling fans, books, knives, all are floating, and everything can become dangerous. Because what goes up must come down. 5 seconds pass. Gravity returns. But now, everything is crashing back down. Hard. People hit the ground. Things shatter. Some are injured. Some may not survive. Hospitals are overwhelmed. The system is in chaos. And everyone is asking just one question. How did this even happen? Those 5 seconds of absence showed us something. That we, our world, our routines, are all held together by one invisible force. Gravity. And without it, we're nothing. It's a reminder that the universe, as beautiful as it is just as delicate. For more thoughts, explorations, and journeys into imagined worlds, stay connected with Hypra Quest. Because if 5 seconds could change so much, just imagine what else could be.